This week's CCJ Tech Shorts features Mack's new digital freight solution, PrePass's new integration, and Penske Truck Leasing's latest update to its AI platform.
Welcome to CCJ's Tech Shorts, your weekly look at technology and trucking. I'm CCJ's tech editor, Angel Coker. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get started.
Mack Trucks has rolled out a new digital freight solution created to help spot carriers reduce empty miles, boost revenue, and make better and quicker decisions. The tool, called Load Finder, was created in collaboration with Canadian freight startup Class 8 and is available for any dispatcher or fleet regardless of the make or model of their trucks. Load Finder uses real-time data, machine learning, and intuitive design to match fleets with high-quality and relevant spot loads. It tracks live truck and shipment data to identify driver availability, location, and where the driver is next headed. It also aggregates load databases and market trends to identify the best load for each driver. Using both live data and machine learning, Load Finder also automatically generates load recommendations and market rate insights directly to the carrier's inbox, enabling customers to negotiate with brokers for higher rates. For existing customers, Load Finder is available directly through Mack's fleet management portal, Mack Connect, and is accessible to any dispatcher or fleet operator through macktrucks.com. Waystation bypass and toll payment services provider PrePass has partnered with NECS Fleet Solutions, a provider of DOT compliance services, to reduce the administrative burden on fleets to keep up with a complex and dynamic regulatory environment. This collaboration integrates PrePass advanced bypass and toll payment technology with NECS Fleet Solutions domain expertise, consulting, and managed services platform for compliance and tax recovery. Fleet operators will benefit from the timely and automated transmission of credentials required for waystation bypass, along with vehicle information that minimizes the risk of toll violations. This proactive approach ensures that fleets remain compliant and efficient, reducing downtime and operational disruptions while focusing staff on business-critical activities. Penske Truck Leasing has released the latest update to its Catalyst AI platform. Built specifically for commercial transportation, the proprietary AI engine applies machine learning to Penske's vehicle dataset. The update introduces 4 core enhancements. Fantasy Fleet offers a new comparison set made up of top-performing vehicles most similar to each vehicle in the user's fleet, helping them find gaps and elevate performance. Vehicle-level comparison enables users to compare individual vehicles to pinpoint performance differences, helping identify where targeted adjustments can drive better results. Hub-level comparison allows users to assess operations by location and uncover opportunities for improved efficiency at the local level. And Impacting Metrics gives users the ability to focus on specific metrics that matter most to their business, including fuel efficiency, maintenance costs, utilization, and more. President of Penske Truck Leasing said, "The new release marks the next chapter for Catalyst AI, one that makes complex data more usable, more scalable, and more actionable. We've enhanced the platform's ability to surface trends, benchmark at the vehicle level, and identify meaningful outliers across fleets and facilities. Built in-house, the platform was designed to help our customers spend less time chasing data and more time improving performance."
That's everything from us for now. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to catch CCJ's Tech Shorts again next week. Until then, you can read more and sign up for our newsletter at ccjdigital.com. Thanks for watching.